With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is given: a small ball of radius r rolled without sliding in a big hemispherical ball of radius r. So what should be the ratio of translation and rotational kinetic energy at the bottom of a ball? So here we have to find the ratio between a translation and rotational kinetic energy of a ball. So firstly here we can see this is the hemispherical ball, and this small ball is here. This is a mover with velocity v, and here this angular velocity is omega. Now here small ball radius r, and here hemispherical ball is a capital R. So now here we can write its roll without slipping. So here v is equal to r omega. That means if v is equal to r omega, then our condition is satisfied. So here now find a directly ratio. So here we can write kinetic energy in translation, and here kinetic energy in rotational. So here we can write this is a half mv square upon half I omega square. Now here in that case ball of I is 2 by 5 mr square, and now here omega is v by r. So this value put here and find. So that means it's equal to half mv square upon half into 2 by 5 mr square, and here this is a v square upon r square. R to R cancel, V to V cancel, M to M cancel, half to half cancel. So here it will come 5 by 2. That means 5/2. So this is the solution. Now we can check the option. The fourth option is the right, 5/2. This is solution to this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.